Want to show your Airbnb availability on your Wix site? Here's how to add an Airbnb calendar step by step. Start by logging into your Airbnb account and selecting your listing. Go to Availability, then find the Sync Calendars option. Click Export Calendar and copy the icon link provided. This link contains your booking and availability data. Next, go to your Wix editor or Wix Studio. Click Add Elements, Plus, and choose Embed Code. Then select Embed HTML. Since Wix doesn't directly display raw icon links visually, you'll need to embed it using a third-party calendar tool, like a public icon viewer, or convert it into an embeddable calendar format. Paste the embed code into the HTML box and click Apply. Resize the calendar to fit your page and preview your site to make sure it displays correctly. This allows visitors to see your Airbnb availability directly from your website. Now you know how to add your Airbnb calendar to Wix and show availability to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.